I know. You have got to wait for sea dogs, though? Spices? Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's got horseradish.
Oh, okay. Her eyes are watering.
So use as much as you like to get it down. Turn it off.
Give me with your vibe. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
What are y'all doing here?
We're waiting for a cracker. We're waiting for a cracker.
Okay.
Another one.
You gotta stop playing with them.
Oh, here. Yeah, I'm gonna. Afterwards. You get one oyster. That's it.
One oyster, huh? Oh, but you cut it in half.
I did.
So that y'all could both have one.
Right.
Gotcha. Oh, you have more crackers now. Ooh.
Course saltines, but I told her that that won't work. Because you can't put an oyster on that. I know. I can do it. You can do it? She's going to bring some. Oh. But I'll have something to eat at. Oh, with your cramp.
You're gonna have the oyster, and then you're gonna experience flavor. Yeah, you don't get to like stick lemon in your mouth.
It's my oyster.
Oh, it's not even a whole oyster.
You guys want to take
Yes, thank you.
Is that going to be enough?
Yes.
Maybe. Oh, we can put those in the
Oyster forwards.
Never.
Yeah. No oysters for me.
You go. That's hot. That's it?
You?
I know.
I don't think you could handle much more.
So
you squeeze the lemon.
Yeah,
She already squeezed the lemon. And then you
There
put
is-
it on the cracker.
there is horseradish in the cocktail sauce.
So it's pretty spicy. You're too spicy, lemon.
Yours is bigger.
Oh my goodness. You ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
You're not choking now,
No.
at least.
It's not bad, but it's not something that I
Taste
love.
it. You can't acquire a taste for it.
Well, I had sushi.
Same. Sushi tastes better than oysters. Raw oysters.
I agree.
Now you eat the oyster crackers. Going
Yeah.
oysters.
That was
Thank you.
So, what is your overall opinion of your oyster experience?
I thought you were going to give an interesting answer
No,
here. You
I
want me to turn it back off?
Turn the camera off. I'm shocked.
Yeah, right.
Slimy.
She was starting to say something about aphrodisiac.
Yeah, what was that all about?
Just ask her.
Was it an aphrodisiac?
Orders.
Y'all are gonna be on YouTube, not me.
Only my voice, baby. Right?
Oh, you've been with us long enough to know who's speaking. Because we're all in the talking and laughing and carrying on, and Carrie pops up. Oh, that's Carrie talking about academia.
Uh-huh.
I want tippage.
You want tippage?
I want.
Do a little video of where we've been calling home this week until until our friend arrived, and now we're going to go find a much more comfortable home on some dirt instead of pavement. At least that's what we're hoping for. There's the Yahina. There's the Yahina Head Lighthouse. I went to it a few days ago. It is a park run by the BLM. There is a fee to enter unless you have the America the Beautiful pass or senior pass or whatever. A couple of surfers out there. Right there in the middle. We are at Tillamook. Checking this place out. This place is huge. Follow the milk, see what it does.
Oh, I love it. Really? I don't think I've ever had them.
That's a big block of cheese now.
Now it comes out.
Standing above the gift shop. And there's lots and lots of cheese for sale. And we all got a little sample of cheese. Good. I'm at the Blue Heron here in Tillamook, Oregon. And this is what the camping is like on a Sunday evening.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
I never heard of guineas till you told me that.
Yeah, me either, until somebody corrected me and was like, those are guineas. They're fun to watch.
It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half.
Check out those logs. Here's a new project they're working on here at the Blue Heron. It's going to be beautiful.
Put them back, no matter what they try. I'll stay by your side. It's
Here, chick, chick, chick. Here, chick, chick, chick. What you doing out, Mr. Guinea? Huh? He's just snoozing away. Hi there, Guinea. Hi there. So, I'd like to know, what is all this? Of course, it's got a gear. I wonder if it has something to do with old well site. I mean, old oil sites or something. Or just like some kind of a water pump. I don't know. You tell me. What is it?
It's you and I.
Oh. Wow.
She's great.
She must be one of the. She must be one that lives here or something.
Hi, kitty.
Oh, she went down now, huh?
Kitty.
She wants down now.
You want down?
You're pretty.
You are pretty. Oh.
She's happy.
Are
she
you happy?
is she purring?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you purring? Oh.
Oh, she likes that. That's
baby.
cute. Nope, I'm leaving.
Bye-bye now. Oh. Maybe that's her kitty. Look. Bye.
Oh. That's cute.